Today's featured SUV of the day is a 1967 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. And this one I recorded at my local classic car and truck auction in Palm Springs, California, where it sold for $53,000. And I'll read off the owner's statement. 1967 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. This is an example of a beautiful, comprehensive frame-off restored classic. The body has never been cut or modified, treated well, and never been off-road. Flawless interior and an engine compartment. Doors close seamlessly. Minor mechanical modifications to maintain the greatest possible originality. Features matching numbers, four-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, upgrade 4-speed transmission, original 3-speed transmission included. Update clutch system, double brake circuit, new aluminum radiator retains the original pattern, new replicated upholstery with the same grain and factory color, new battery, starter, wheels and caps, new tires, new drive shafts, new fog lamps, new coil and spark plug wires, mostly gold cadmium, zinc plated on fasteners, new factory style exhaust and muffler, new locking hubs, more than 100 pages of records since Toyota shipment from Japan, 1967 to present. DMV and owner records. This semester won the first place at 2 car shows. It is a powerful and ready to go on any hill or road. It's not easy to find a 1967 as nice as this one. And it has 300 miles since the restoration. And like I said, it sold for $53,000 at my local classic car and truck auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Truck Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.